Jotend riwruog jopuonj KNUT bade mag Garissa kwayo migawo mar somo kod apisi mar omenda ma pachoka mondo chiw omenda ne sikunde ne ikruok ne penj maduong'. Kokalo kuom jagoro margi Abdurasak Hussein owacho ni deko mar omendago oserocho somo e gwengego ma oro ng'eny. Omedo ni chiwo omenda ma jolo weche chiemo e sikunde bende owinjo duoki mondo jopuonjre obed e klas, kojiwo ni sikunde mag JS owinjore ogol e skunde mag primary.
We very well know that we are in a period or a season which is dry spell, and it is this season that funding was required more handy than ever. It is during this time that exams are at the corner. For the first time, the Kenya Junior School Assessment is to be administered for the first time, junior grade 9, starting with this month, October. And our schools are totally dry. They have not gotten the funding. Worse enough, the school feeding program, which was handy also and which was helping our children, is also not available. I also request the 3 governors of Garissa, Wajir and Mandera to start water tracking, because most of our schools are about to be closed because of the dry spell. There are no water in our schools. There are no fundings in our schools. There are no food in our schools. This is a situation under which our teachers are, and our head schools are unable to administer the schools.